What keeps me going in SEO? It's not just passion, it's about making money online and living free. Let's be real, passion is cute, but it doesn't pay the bills. So, what really keeps me going in SEO? Money, freedom, and the fact that I will never go back to a 9 to 5. Hi, I'm Dua. Welcome to my channel Search by Dua, where I share the real side of SEO, digital marketing, and building income online. So, people always say follow your passion, but honestly, I followed the pain. I hated commuting, I hated fake smiles and office politics, I hated being underpaid, overworked, and replaceable. SEO gave me an escape, and now it gives me motivation every single day of my life. I won't lie to you guys, money is a big part of my motivation towards search engine optimization. The moment I made my first $100 online, I knew this was different. And now I can earn in dollars from Pakistan from my laptop. No interviews, no bosses breathing down my neck, just value, skill, and results. I have made more sitting at home than I ever did in corporate HR. I'm not saying this to flex. I'm saying this to show you it's possible. If you're willing to learn, if you're ready to show results, the internet pays you. And the freedom, that's the best part. I don't need permission to take a break. I work when I feel most creative. Sometimes that's early in the morning, sometimes it's late at night. I have worked from cafes, from my couch, even from the backseat of a car during road trips. There is no dress code, just work that matters. And it feels so good to build something that's mine. The thing about search engine optimization is the more you do it, the more you grow. Every time I take a keyword and turn into a traffic, I feel more confident. Every time I help a client rank, get sales, or build trust, that's proof I'm doing something real. This isn't just a skill for me, it's a superpower. It opens doors, builds authority, and gives you leverage whether you are freelancing, building your own brand, or starting something big. I'm not here to glamorize the grind. Some days are slow, some clients don't work out, but I get to choose, I'm not stuck. And that makes all the difference. I choose this path so I could build a life where I'm in control, where my income reflects my effort, where I'm not waiting for someone to promote me, I promote myself. That's why I keep going, not just for passion, but for purpose, power, and peace. So guys, if anything I said today hit home, if you're done playing small or waiting for permission to chase your goals, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment and tell me your story. I actually read them all. I'm not guru here, I'm just someone who started from zero and decided not to settle. If this video gave you a little spark, show me some love with a like, and thank you for sticking around till the end. You're part of the journey now. In the next video, I will share the story of how I landed one of the biggest e-commerce giant in my country with zero agency background and no paid ads. Until then, stay sharp, stay real.